Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the leading trader gamma indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the leading trader gamma indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested a total of 24 different strategies with a total of 6 winners. We've also tested a total of 378 indicators with a total of 154 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 154 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the leading trader gamma indicator. And you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so it consists of a few different parts. First off, we have the RSI. And so you can see kind of a standard RSI setup where we have the oversold or overbought, oversold, and then the oscillating line, the RSI line. And so basically the blue dots are the one we are looking for. Those are the ones that are, basically a good color dot. And so what we're going to do here is, instead of looking for the RSI line to break out above and then come back in, we're going to look for blue dots first, and then we are going to look for the RSI to break the lower band or the upper band. If it breaks to the lower side with blue dots, we're going to go short. If it breaks to the upper side with upside with blue dots, then we are going to go long. And so using the RSI in this way is something that most people don't do, but it is something where some traders, some teachers have suggested that the RSI can be a sign of momentum. And so as it approaches the upper band, that's actually a sign of momentum to the upside. As it approaches the lower band, that's a sign of momentum to the downside. So if that makes sense, that's kind of what we're testing and using the blue dots to kind of confirm the direction we're looking to go in. So let's go ahead and test it that way. Stop the rambling here. So we get some blue dots right here, and unfortunately we don't get a break to either side while the blue dots are present. So we will continue on here. We get a break to the upside, right? Let's see. Forget what this band is set on. 95 is what that band is set on. So we should get the break to the upside right there. And we have a few blue dots present there, which would tell us to go long. And we get to take profit. So you can kind of see the setup that we're looking for there. Let's see, take profit is 100 pips. Looks like we don't hit it until over here. And so we would have missed this signal right here because we would have still been in the trade. We would have hit take profit on this big bar right here. And looks like we would have entered back in for a long right there on that one. Get a really quick correction in the market there to the downside. That one did stop us out there. So let's go ahead and continue on here. All right, over here on this side though, we then pick up a break to the downside there. Blue dots present. That's going to be a short signal, and we get to take profit pretty easily there. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so we have some blue dots present over here. We get a break to the downside on that one right there. We get a pretty decent correction back there, but it stays within our stop, and then price action continues down the direction we wanted it to go in, getting us to take profit. All right, over here on this side, looks like right there the RSI was already above the upper band when we picked up the blue dots. So that's not a valid signal, but we do get a valid signal right there on that one. And you see price action gets us there to take profit again. Unfortunately, we do pick up another long right there. Once again, it's right at the top of this peak here. We get a correction to the downside. Over here, let's see if it breaks. Actually does not break to the downside on either one of these. So let's go ahead and continue forward here. This is getting a little long, so try to wrap this up here. All right, so we pick up a break to the upside right there, just barely. We get to take profit pretty easy. And looks like once again, yeah, we would have been, actually no. Nope, we would have actually been out by the time this signal took place. And once again, a sharp correction right there to the downside would have cost us another trade. But then we pick up this long signal over here. And that one does get us to take profit. We are almost to the end of the year now. All right, that's the end of the year. End of the year there. Man, a little bit of a tongue twister there if I could spit it out. All right, before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, it will give you access to the Patreon only channel where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. So if you use the MT platforms quite a bit rather than TradingView, it'd be a really handy list for you to have. The regular members as well as the admins are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they are posting screenshots of areas of support and resistance, and indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering and exiting trades, taking profits. They are growing small accounts really quickly with all the information that they're putting out for everyone to see in the channel there. One last thing I started to do is I've put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we've tested. Actually, I have the tab open right there from yesterday's video. And that Excel sheet shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, with their win rates, and videos, links to the videos to go back and view those strategies. So a lot of really great information for a really, really reasonable price. Doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Highly recommend it. So, all right, back to the indicator here. There and there. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 9 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 winning trades. And so interesting enough that definitely gets us to the 60% criteria that we're looking for. Not a bad indicator all in all. Something unique, another way of trying to use the RSI. I liked it. I think it was a decent indicator, did well. This one's going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.